Hello all, in this video I will show you how to use Python console in QGIS. To do that, go to plugin, select Python console. Now you can see the Python console is open. This is one way of opening the Python console, and you can also use the shortcut keys like pressing Ctrl Alt P. Or you can also open it by clicking this icon. This is how the Python console looks like. Here I will brief about what is Python and its uses. So Python is a very easy and powerful programming language and widely used in the geospatial world. There are many uses like you can add the data, you can interact with the layers, and most interesting is that you can also develop your own plugin. This interactive shell consists of various tools. The first tool is the clean tool. We can use the next tool to import the classes. This tool is used to run the command and this is to write the scripts. These are the default settings where you can use it as it is. Here this 3 greater sign indicates the prompt shell. It tells that Python is waiting for you to type something or simply it is ready to accept your first command. Let's enter some commands at the prompt, beginning with the following: print hello world. Make sure to include the double quotes. Press enter on your keyboard when you finished typing the line. Now we can see that hello world is printed in the console, which means that the code is executed without any error. If there is any error, it might have displayed in red color. Here we have used one function and one parameter. The function is seen in green color and the parameter is shown in blue color with double quotes. Suppose if there is any typological error, it will run and display the error in red color. Now you can notice that. To know the system version, we have to import sys and we have to type sys.version and it will display the Python version which we are using. We can also use the script tool to call a function. Here I am typing print and in brackets I am putting hi, and again I am going to run the script, and now we will notice that the hi is displayed in the Python console. We can save this script as a Python file and we can open it again and run it again. It will be more useful when you write more scripts or more lines. I hope this video might help you by learning the basics of using Python in QGIS. In my next video, I will show you many functions which can be performed using this powerful Python. Thanks for watching. Please leave your comments and subscribe for more videos.